Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to open up a box from Potomac Beads, and I'm very happy about this because the shipments from the US, they are iffy. Sometimes they come and sometimes they're gone and sometimes they are late. So this is, I don't even know what month this is, but so we're just going to open up and see. All right. And oh, let's see what we have. I really do like these boxes. They are so cool. I think with the magnetic clasp and everything, it's very nice. All right. So this is called Forbidden Oasis. It looks nice. It sounds nice, I should say. All right, reading happiness. A lot of things in the box, right? Let's see, and we have the patterns. This is a bonus pattern for a Contessa bracelet. Looks nice. And then we have freeform Peyote bracelet. Looks cool too. And a quicksilver necklace, or a quick silver necklace. I don't know, quicksilver or quicksilver. Anyway, looks very nice. All right, so let's see. I think here are the two projects that we have, and I think this one here must be the quicksilver necklace. All right, and this one here is the freeform Peyote bracelet. I like these colors, brown and topaz and gold and things like that. So should we take a look at this? Yes, we should. All right, also little baggies in here. We have okay, so these here, I think this could be, no, let's see, could this be it? Crystal rounds. Yeah, this must be the cubes, Mayuki cubes. Right, well, if I could read here, I would see it. Yes, these are the cubes. Very pretty color. It's like a light topaz color. I don't know if it says anything here. No, it did not. Silver lined gold, it said. Very pretty. And then we have a big bag here of matte transparent dark topaz. Oh, these are nice. I hope you can see. It's a little bit dark, maybe. These are 11-ohs. And we have galvanized yellow gold, and these are 8-ohs, also from Mayuki, I don't know, looks like that. And then we have these are Potomac crystal rounds, and they are 2 millimeters in apricot AB. These are very nice. Very nice. 2 millimeters. And the last bag here is light caramel Ceylon. I like the Ceylon beads. I don't know why, but they are very nice. These are also Miyuki, and they are 15-ohs. Right? So this here is going to be a bracelet. Going to be this one. I'm going to show you later when it's done, when I've made it. Okay, and the next project here is the quicksilver necklace. I'm going to say quicksilver instead of quicksilver, right? Let's see what we have here. Okay, there we have Potomac pearls in platinum, 6 millimeters. This is a strand, at least, I don't know, pack of 34. All right. Okay, and then we have, what is this? These are, ooh, 4mm Larimar, Larimar? I don't know. These are so pretty. Look at these. I love this blue-green color. It's so nice. All right. Then we have, this is called Potomac Crystal Teardrop in metallic gold. These are gorgeous. Wow. The reason I don't open these little baggies is that they will fall all over the place and I won't find them, and it won't be enough for the necklace. Let's see here. We have this is also Miyuki seed beads in Duracoat galvanized silver. They are a little bit yellow, I think. These are 11 O's. And then we have, what is this? This is really nice. Take a look at that. This is a hammered ring, 20mm. Cool. Very pretty. And finally we have here Potomac Crystal Helix beads in light Colorado Topaz AB Gold Champagne. It's a very long name. They are 6mm. What? I absolutely have to open this. What is a helix bead? I have never heard of that before. Let's see. They, I think they look like, I don't know, like a crooked bicone somehow, but they're cool. They are like, no, I don't know. They are very cute, very nice. Okay, so, and the same goes for this project. I will show you what it looks like when I'm done, when I've made it. Let's see. Okay, all of those things there. And then we have the rest of everything in the box, and we should get started. Here we have, what is this? These are drop jewels in crystal Labrador full, and they are 3x6mm. Drop jewels. Okay, they are like a little drop. I don't know. I have never ever used these. That's so cool with Potomac, the boxes here, that you get things that you have never even seen before. So you can try out. You can search for tutorials and things on, for example, YouTube, and you can find a lot of projects that you can do with these new beads. Okay, and then we have a bag of pins. These are, I think they are they ball pins or head pins? I don't know, but they are very, very nice silver plated brass. They are 2 inches, which is about 5 centimeters. And then we have Pi Duo beads, metallic sea blue. These are so, I think they are so cute, like little pies, you see? And it's a very nice color too. Very nice. Sea blue, metallic sea blue, very cute. And then, what is this? Oh, these are so pretty. Take a look at these. These are Czech petals in purple iris gold. And this purple iris gold never goes out of style. I love it. I think it's so pretty. 14x13mm. I think I saw once that Ali from Potomac here made, I think it was some kind of a pendant with these rose petals. It's really, really nice. Maybe I should look that up. Yeah. And then we have a little bag of Potomac Crystal Chatons in Crystal AB 8mm. And these are just, I shouldn't say just, but they are clear. And absolutely super sparkly, which we like. Can make a cute ring, maybe. Pretty. Okay, and I see carrier beads here, I believe. Yes, these are carrier beads, 9 by 17 millimeters in vintage copper. Also very pretty. I saw a video. No, yeah, I think it was a video where you sort of beaded around these with a peyote stitch. I don't really remember what you had them, what you used them for, but that was very cool. It was a cool thing to do. They're nice. I think they're cool that they are kind of chunky and big. And here we have Potomac crystal cylinders in metallic bronze iris, and they are 4 millimeters. These are kind of cool too. I have to open some of the bags. Oh, there's a lot of them. Okay, they look like this. They're pretty. You can use them as spacers maybe, or you can weave something. Maybe I should weave something with these as accents, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, yeah, look at this. They're everywhere. Okay. Right, and then we have, no. These are, okay. These are pad posts for earrings. I couldn't really see what they were. Earring backs. No, it's not back. You put a like a stone or something on top here. Maybe would have been great if you had the bags too, but we did not. Okay, and this is a ring setting, round 18 millimeter silver setting. It says you can put something nice there, like a nice cabochon. Cool. And here we have Potomac Beads ear wire backs. Yeah, but that's just for when you send them. Oh wait, it's like a little rubber thing that you put on the back. All right. 3.5 by 3 millimeter silicone clutch. It's called. All right. And here we have 2-hole bar beads, red luster metal. 2 by 6 millimeters. We have to open this. This. No, didn't open up. To tape this shut. Okay, it's gone. What is this? Bar bead. Now I know. It's a very pretty color. See? They look like this. And they have 2 holes there. And they are nice, and that they are a little bit rounded. Oh, sorry. There. And the color was jet red luster. I don't see the red. I think they are more brown. Doesn't matter. They're very, I think they're cute. See what I can do with them. Okay, I have to find them a new bag at least, because I ripped the other one apart. Okay, and then we have here, this is Potomac Crystal Rondelle beads in Smoky Topaz AB, and they are 1.5 by 2 millimeters. Looks bigger, but they are, maybe they're not. Let's open them up to see what they look like. Oh, it was in crystal rondelles, and the color was Smoky Topaz AB. It's always topaz is a very, very nice color, both the lighter one and the darker one. You see, very nice. very small. That's good to have small things like this, so that you can use them both as spacers, or if you make something that is, you know, tiny and dainty and you want something small in between. These are very good. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, and the last little bag in here is Czech leaf drop beads, 10 by 6 millimeter teal swirl. This we have to open up to see what's inside. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at the color. Very, very, very nice. Pretty, pretty. And the leaves are, as you can see, they are two-sided. I don't know, they are light blue on this side and a darker on the other side. And I think this light blue side here is a little bit more opaque than the other one. That is like, well, it is teal swirl. Yeah, well, very nice. They're kind of small leaves. I'm not used to the small leaves, but they are super pretty. See? Very nice. Okay, and they can sit over here. Okay. This was actually everything that was in the box. This month, does it say anywhere which month this is? I don't think so. No. Well, I will look that up and I will inform you. No, I will write it in the description here what month this is. Very nice, and thank you, Potomac. This is great. I wish we could have had things for this too. But maybe if we take a look in our stash, we will find something that works. All right, so thank you for this time, and I see you next time. Bye.